Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So today this is our 10th video of Azure Data Factory RealTime Scenario series, and in this video we'll try to learn how to add new column with source file name using ADF. Okay, so basically before going ahead we will try to understand the requirements first. So basically we have one source file employees CSV. Okay, here we have data, employee ID, employee name, age and city. Okay, so we'll copy this source file to our sync location. So sync location is in same blob container. We just have uh, the sync location is here. Okay, the sync, we need to copy this file here. So we'll remove this first, whatever we have from earlier. Okay, now we don't have anything in our sync location, so we'll just copy our this file employee data, employees.csv files data to the sync location. But here uh, whenever we'll copy the data, whatever any file, if employees.csv or employees new.csv or anything, you will copy the data. Here you need to add one new column with the file name from where the data are getting copied. That file name we need to add in that new column. We need to add a new column with file name column. In that column, the data from where it is coming, the file name will be added here. Okay, how to do that? Let's see. So before going ahead, I want to introduce our YouTube channel, Cognitive Coders. This is our channel. Here we used to upload data engineering related stuffs. If you are new in data engineering, you can go ahead and you can learn lots of things. There are multiple real-time scenarios I have discussed, interview scenarios, and if you are new in PySpark, you can also go through our PySpark playlist, PySpark Databricks playlist. 64 videos are there. You can learn lots of things in our real time, in our daily life, what kind of scenarios we used to face in our live project, that I have discussed in real time scenarios and PySpark Database playlist. Okay, so in PySpark Database playlist, mostly used functions I have discussed here, and this is the real time scenarios where I have discussed the industry level project experience, how 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 many types of problems we used to get. That thing we have discussed. If you are preparing for interview, you can go ahead with the interview series and all. Okay, just go visit our channel, and based on your requirements you can get it. Okay, but please, after seeing it, if you think these are useful, please subscribe our channel and share the videos with your friend. Okay, there are lots of people, we are getting traffic also, lots of traffic, but subscriber, they are not subscribing. Day by day they are seeing our video but not subscribing. This is really bad for, because uh, it takes lots of time to make the contents and all. If you subscribe, then we also get motivated. Okay, uh, let's go ahead. So this is our data factory. So already dataset, earlier in our earlier video I have created the source file and sync file dataset. Okay, so I'll not create it here. Okay, for saving the time. Okay, so if you have not seen how to create the dataset, you can visit our last 9 videos. There I have already explained in a in the earlier videos, the 2, 3, 4, 5 that videos I have created these data sets. And now I will go ahead with the create whatever we have that data set. I will not create. Okay, so let's go. So I'll create first new pipeline, and here I will take the copy activity for copying the data. Okay, so here we'll need to add first the source file. So source dataset. So for source dataset, I will use here the file name dataset. Okay. So this I have the parameterization. So in source container, whatever file I need, that I need to just I add it. Okay. So I'm showing you. So this parameterization I have already explained in my earlier video. The earlier 4 or 5th video I have explained, I think. You can just go through. Okay. And in this playlist also I have explained the parameterization. I will give you the link also in I button. This playlist also, Azure Data Factory tutorial, how to do the parameterization. You can just go through. Okay. So I'm taking this file name wala dataset, and here I'll add the CSV. But here first I'll take the parameter, file name parameter. In pipeline parameter only I will pass the file name. Okay. File name employees.csv. CSV. Okay. Here I'll take it from file name parameter. Okay. And in sync location we have one sync path. Okay. The dataset already created. Let's see what is the path. You can see demo.sync. There is a file. No, this is a parameter as well. I will not use this dataset. For sync I have one another dataset for sync. Okay, there is nothing mentioned. Okay, so here we can sync the data. Okay, so let's go and emp.sync. Okay, copy behavior. So in sync, whatever it is, we'll just save the file extension. So as a CSV file, we will save it. CSV. Okay, it's done. So now if I'll debug it, it will just copy the whole data from here, and once again it will save it in the sync location. But I don't need that. I need to add another column. So for adding additional column, I have to go here and here, just already for getting the file path. It is giving the system variable already, the system functionalities, the file path. Just file name. Okay, I'm just giving the name of the column. Okay, file name. Okay, the file name. If you want to add another column, suppose you want to add the load date time whenever the data are loading, load dt. Okay, so basically you just go ahead and add dynamic content in function utc. So utc now. Okay, select it, it will give you the load date time. Okay, so source and sync all done. Now I'll just trigger the pipe. Let it run. Let it complete. So now it is successfully run. Okay, so once it is run, okay, so if I'll go to the path of this sync folder, sync directory, Let's see if I'll get something. Yeah, I'm getting. Let's go ahead. Yeah, you can see the file name employees.csv every time, and load date, whatever date time it is fetching the data. Okay, if you want to format it only DDMM, MMYY and HHMM, hour minute, the second millisecond part you don't want, you can format it. It's just like in here you need to just format. Okay, just format DDMMYY like that. You need to just write it. Okay, and for format statement you need to use. Okay, so you just need to write this like this, and I'm just showing you. So basically you have to use format date time, and then inner UTC UTC, not like that, UTC now, then just YY MMDD, then HHMMSS, hour, minute, and seconds. Okay, milliseconds I don't require. Done. If I'll save it now, once again if I'll run, it will just overlap the data. Okay, let's run it once again. Yeah, the run has successfully completed. Once again I'll refresh it. Let's see. And this in edit, you can see now it has changed. 2011 2000, only 24, 2011 24, only YY I have used, not 4Y. If I'll use 4Y, then it should take 2024. Okay, and this hour, minute, and second. Okay, this hour, minute is in UTC. Okay, if I will add 5 plus 530, then I would get the 2058, because in Azure it will give you the UTC time. Okay, so Indian Standard Time UTC plus 530. So this is one of the use case of our real-time scenarios. Okay, so if you think it's a useful thing, you can share our content, you can share this video with your close people, with your colleagues, with your friends. Okay, so and help us to create a big community of data engineering, where each and everyone we can share our thought process, we can share our project experience, and we can gain new uh, learning experience. Okay, so that we can use that experience in our projects also, and we can build a better data engineering community. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.